A century of silence broken. Hidden away in a forgotten barn, 100-year-old Ford Model T sat waiting, a ghost wrapped in dust and decay. Sunlight pierced the darkness, revealing the skeletal remains of a legend. Close-ups linger on the details of its long slumber. Rusted wheels, cracked leather seats holding untold stories, a dusty steering wheel, and the once proud Ford logo, now faded by time. Then two mechanics, a seasoned veteran and a young enthusiast, stumble upon this automotive treasure. Their expressions of awe and excitement say it all. With care, the fragile machine is coaxed from its tomb and transported to the workshop. The restoration begins. A pressure washer strips away decades of grime, unveiling the car's true form. In the shop, a full disassembly follows, each part catalogued for rebirth. Sparks fly as grinders meticulously erase the rust, preparing the metal for a new life. The vintage engine, the very heart of the machine, is painstakingly rebuilt. Damaged body panels are hammered back into shape, and a coat of classic glossy black paint restores its former elegance. Piece by piece, the Model T is reborn. The restored engine, polished wheels, and fresh leather are reinstalled. Finally, the fully restored masterpiece is revealed in all its shining glory. With a turn of the crank, the engine sputters to life, its historic rumble echoing through the workshop. A new chapter begins as the antique icon glides down a country road, driving off into a golden sunset.